Hello everyone, welcome to another study point. আজি আমি ক্লাছ 10 social scienceৰ geography part chapter 4 geography of Assam সেই চেপ্টাৰৰ question number 22 পৰা 28 লৈকে লৈ আনিছো। তো ভিডিওটো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰাৰ আগতে মই সকলোকে ক'ব বিচাৰিছো তুমি চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব। তো number 22, what are the agroclimatic region of Assam? Mention the characteristics of each of them in brief. The amount of rainfall and temperature, soil type and topographical characteristics are not same in all places of Assam. Thus, the state has been divided into 6 agroclimatic zones, which are based on variation in soil type and properties, topographical characteristics and rainfall and temperature distribution over the state. These zones are number 1, Lower Brahmaputra Valley Zone. Under the Lower Brahmaputra Valley Zone, there are 10 districts like Kamrup, Kokrajhar, Dhuburi, Gwalpara, etc. and around 9.3 lakh hectares of land are cultivated. Number 2, North Bank Plain Zone. The 5 districts of this area are Dorong, Udalguri, Sonitpur, Lakhimpur, etc. and a total of 5.37 lakh hectares of land are cultivated. 3. Central Brahmaputra Valley Zone. Around 3.28 lakh hectares of land are cultivated in the area of this zone, which are Morigao and Nagaon district. 4. Upper Brahmaputra Valley Zone. This zone consists of area like Dibrugarh, Sibsagar, Jorhat, Golaghat and around 6.2 lakh hectares of land are cultivated. 5. Barak Valley Zone. In the Barak Valley Zone, covering Kasar, Karimganj and Hailakandi district, all total 2.42 lakh hectares of land are cultivated. 6. Hill Zone. In the Hill Zone like Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao district, a total of 1.54 lakh hectares of land are cultivated. Number 23. What are the type of rice cultivated in Assam? Briefly write about this. Rice is the principal crop in Assam. There are 3 types of rice cultivated in Assam: autumn rice, winter rice and summer rice. Autumn rice. Autumn rice is cultivated in the fertile soil of the plain and in the lower plain of the Brahmaputra Valley. It is cultivated using both sowing and cultivation method in February to March and harvested in June to July. Winter rice, Sali rice. Winter rice is the most extensively cultivated category of the rice in Assam. It is cultivated in over 70% of the total rice growing area of Assam. It grows very well in the fertile alluvial soil of the Brahmaputra and Barak Valley. It is planted by the plantation method, generally in July-August and harvested in November-December. Summer rice, Bora rice. Summer rice is cultivated in almost all the districts of Assam. It is cultivated in the low-lying area during winter months and harvested during summer months of June-July before the flood. Number 24. Why is rice considered as the principal crop in Assam? Rice is the main crop of Assam because it can be cultivated in all the agroclimatic zone which comprise of all the district. The fertile alluvial soil, favorable climate, ample amount of water, example, which are required for the cultivation of the soil are found in the Assam. The state also experiences plenty of rainfall, which is a necessity of cropping of rice. Rice was cultivated in an area of 25.45 lakh hectare during 2011-12 and about 50.45 lakh metric ton of rice were produced in Assam according to the 2011 census. Number 25. What are the pulses cultivated in Assam? Pulses like black gram, green gram, lentil, pea, arahar, gram, etc. are grown in Assam. Around 1.32 lakh hectares of land were cultivated and a total of 0.76 lakh metric ton of pulses were produced. Number 26. Write briefly about jhum cultivation carried out in Assam. The practice of jhum cultivation is done extensively in the hilly area of Assam. The agroclimatic zone in the hilly of Assam covering Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao hill district is engaged in jhum cultivation or shifting cultivation. About 5452 square kilometer area of Karbi Anglong district and 2597 square kilometer area of Dima Hasao district are under the Jhum cultivation. The tribal people of this area practice the traditional method of Jhum cultivation by burning and clearing the forest on the slope of the hill. When the fertility of the soil gets reduced after practicing Jhum, the tribal leave the area and relocate in a different area. Jhum cultivation is defined and by its shifting nature is very associated with the society, culture and living style of the hill tribes. It is a type of mixed agriculture but does not produce enough production. Environmental problems like forest destruction, soil erosion, loss of fertility, etc. take place due to the Jhum cultivation. Landslide, forest fires and imbalance of ecology also occur due to this type of cultivation. Number 27. What are the major aim of the Assam Industrial and Investment Policy 2014? Number 1. To increase the gross domestic product of the state by developing the manufacturing and service sector along with various economical activities. 2. Number, to increase the per capita income and employment opportunity in the state, especially in the rural areas. 3. Number, to encourage and increase investment for the development of micro, small and medium industries. 4. To create large number of skilled personnel. Number 28. What do you mean by the term service sector industry? Briefly explain taking example for Assam. Service sector industries are those industries which earn revenue through providing tangible products and services. Goods produced by the primary and secondary sector industry are brought to the people through tertiary or service sector industry. In Assam, the following service sector industries are well developed. 1. Trade, tourism industry, banking and insurance service, public administration, transport and communication, hotel industry, all types of business, medical. The trade industry is very important in Assam. Tea has played a major role in boosting this industry. The transport and communication industry has received a great applause in the recent year. Presence of over 5 national parks and 20 wildlife sanctuaries in Assam, ancient monuments, the mighty Brahmaputra and many scenes location make the state a tourist attraction and so the state has a developed tourism industry. Similarly, the great population of the state has led to the development of all other service industries such as business, banking, insurance, medical, administration, etc. বাকি কোয়েশ্চেন্সবোৰ নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত লৈ আনিম। ধন্যবাদ।